What up, YouTube? It's your girl Tasha, aka T-Bird Fitness, and welcome back to my channel. So today, we're not really going to be doing any like fitness things, but today I am going to wash my hair and retwist it. I love my locks. You know, I've been growing my locks for not 11 years. I lied. I've been growing my locks for 8 years now. I started in 2011. It's been a little bit over 8 years, and they've just become a part of me. I just love them so much. I think about taking them out every now and then because sometimes they become too much, but my wife does not want me to do that, so I can't do that to her. Today I'm going to just be retwisting and washing my hair. I'm going to show you guys how I do that process. I started my locks back in 2011, as I stated, and prior to that, I used to get perms. Well, a year prior to that, I was getting perms very often. And then after that, I decided to just go natural for a year. And then after going natural for a year, I did the big chop. May 2011, I did the big chop, and I started with coral twist, and my cousin did those for me. Shout out to you, Brittany, you know who you are. But when I started my lock process, I was very insecure at first because people are like, why did you cut your hair off? Why did you do that? And everything else that came after that, people's perception about who I was with my short hair. But, now they're like, oh, Tasha, your locks are so beautiful, all that stuff. But so I knew this was going to come, but I knew that patience was also needed in order to get to this length. I've also done one chop. As you guys can see, my locks are a little bit past my breast, but they were closer down to my navel. Prior to me cutting, I did about 6 inches. You guys can see from the back. They were closer down here in the back, but I cut about 6 inches off because they were just getting too heavy. And sometimes I regret doing that because I missed my length, but they were getting too heavy, so I had to cut them. I think I wanted to do more trims, like every 3 or 4 years, do a trim and try to keep it at the same length. So today, just rock with me on, my process of retwisting and washing and retwisting. Now, usually when I retwist, I don't use clamps. I don't use any additional products other than the oil I use to grease my scalp with. And I do condition my locks. A lot of people don't condition their locks. I condition my locks. Just make sure I rinse it out really well. And when I retwist, I either do a rope twist all the way down, or I do a rope twist partially just to hold it until it dries, because I don't use a blow dryer. I don't apply any heat to my hair. But I'm going to show you guys how I do that. A few things about my locks. I do have a lot of dog hair in my locks, so I have 2 dogs, and they are not limited to where they can go in the house. And that's just how we like it. So I got a lot of their hair in my hair. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's some dog hair right there. They're like intertwined with my locks, and that is completely fine with me. When I'm bored or anything like that, I just pick it out, which is kind of relaxing and kind of like soothing to be able to do that. So I pick their hair out. But it's cool because even after my dogs are gone, a long time from now, they're still going to be with me in my hair. It's really cool. It might sound gross to some people, but I really take that to heart. And also, I have lint in a few locks, mainly the ones in the back. I don't know if you guys can see that. Maybe if I show you this way. The ones in the back have a lot of lint, and again, that is okay with me. It's part of the process. I don't try to comb my locks out to get a lint out. It just is what it is. My hair rubs on clothes all day, so I just have to take it with it, and my hair's not dirty, so whatever. But I'm going to show you guys what I do. I'm done rambling. I can ramble all day, but I'm going to post a few pictures of, picture of, I put it right here, a picture of prior to me starting my locks, and my hair, how it was, and how my hairline is receding. That's just part of my family's trait, but prior to, my hairline was really bad and it was really thin. And also, I'm going to show you guys a picture right here of when I first cut my hair off and I got the coral twist. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment below what you think, comment below any tips on what you might have regarding my locks. So for today's wash, I am using Carol's Daughter almond milk. This is my first time using this shampoo, so we should see how it does with my hair. And for conditioner, I will be using Shea Moisture restorative conditioner. Again, I use conditioner on my locks because after you shampoo your hair, the shampoo strips your hair, and the conditioner just put the nutrients back into your hair. Just make sure if you're using conditioner to rinse your hair out really well. So let's get started. So my hair is all washed. Feels good. It's pretty clean, as you guys can see. Probably some dog hair in there, but that ain't going nowhere. For the most part, it's pretty clean. So after I wash my hair, I oil it with sulfur 8. I used to use a lot of other products like the Jamaican Mango Lime in my hair, but my scalp was always really dry. So I went back to my roots and used what my mom used to use when I was a kid, and this has helped my scalp tremendously. I don't get like a lot of flakes, a lot of buildup or anything. So I oil my hair, and then I retwist right after I oil it. I don't put any other products in my hair. So I'm going to show you guys how I basically reconnect the loose ends to my lock, areas where there's loose hair. I pull it out straight and I just wrap it around, as you can see, all the way down until I have completely wrapped the entire piece of loose hair around my lock. Then I do a palm roll to make sure that it's tight around, and that's about it. So as you guys can see, I have 2 ponytails done. Now I have to finish the front. So I haven't been constantly doing my hair all day. I've been taking breaks, so it's taking me a while to do the front, like to get it all done. With that in mind, it has dried. My roots have dried. So what I'm going to do is spray some water, just water only, onto my roots, because you shouldn't ever retwist your hair when it's dry. That can lead to a lot of breakage. So I am going to spray just with water. This is only water. Now that I got this side all moist, I'm going to just show you guys how I try my best to get my parts straight. I use my hands. I don't use combs or anything like that. So I just pull the hair to where it should be. Then when I think it's good enough for me, I just start retwisting. But as you guys are going to see also, I take that additional hair and wrap it around again up front. Into the lock to make sure that it starts to intertwine with the lock. And then I'm going to do again a palm roll to get it tighter. And as you guys can see, it looks pretty good. The white stuff is just a mixture of my oil that I use and water. So as I mentioned earlier, when I don't feel like rope twisting my hair all the way down, I do twist it partially down to hold the retwist. Again, I don't use any clamps or anything like that on my hair ever. I used it in the beginning, but I don't use any now. So I'm going to show you guys how I do a partial twist and then let it stay. That usually will stay for about 2 days, and then it starts to unravel, which is fine because my hair has dried by then. As you guys can see, I am done with my hair. It took a few hours, but it's okay. That's why I do it myself, because I'm not on no one else's time. And also it's a time for me to like meditate. I really enjoy it because I'm able to like just have a moment where I'm not really thinking about anything that's going on in the outside world other than getting my hair done. So, and you guys, I'm done with it. As you guys can see, I'm done with it, and I think I did a really good job. Take my time when I'm doing my hair. I don't rush. I really take my time. But make sure you guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like it. Subscribe to my channel because I will be posting more content for you guys. And share with your friends and bring them along to T-Bird Fitness. I will be posting workout videos, more workout videos, and more like vlogs about cooking healthier meals. But as I also mentioned in my first video, this will be like also lifestyle videos, so things that I'm doing throughout the day. Whenever I feel like picking up the camera, today I feel like picking up the camera and showing you guys how I do my hair. So, so comment below if you have any tips on, you know, things that I can possibly do better with my hair. If you have any suggestions on, you know, different styles you guys would like to see me try, because I like to style my hair, but I don't do it because it hurts. So just comment that information below, and also if you want, in the comments below, one thing that, if you could have a conversation with your younger self, what is one thing that you would tell your younger self? What would that conversation be like? For me, if I can talk to my younger self, I would just be more encouraging and telling her to enjoy and embrace the body that God had given her. I was very insecure when I was younger because I was kind of tall and really skinny, and I had a lot of muscle tone. I would be made fun of about my muscle tone, but that's what was given to me, and I didn't appreciate that. And now that I'm older and I have less muscle tone, I really wish that I would have appreciated what I had when I was younger. So that's one thing I would tell myself, to appreciate what you have and love the skin that you're in. So until next time, guys, be true to yourself. Peace, love, and happiness.